Hi everyone, my name is Keith. I'm a machine expert with USACLEAN for 12 years, and this is the Tennant E5 carpet extractor. In this video series, I'm going to show you some general maintenance that you can do yourself to help keep your machine running at peak performance and help minimize the cost and need of sending a service tech. Okay, so you need to replace a worn brush roll. Super simple. Right here on the side is a side knob. Go ahead and unscrew that. Remove the holder plate and pull the brush roll right out. Now, just reverse your steps. Line up your notches on your new brush roll. Get your holder plate in. Line that back up. And tighten it back down. Just like that, and you're done. Once again, my name is Keith. For all the parts listed in today's video, plus thousands of diagrams and how-to repair guides, be sure to click the link in the description below or visit us on the web at USACLEAN.com. Now, if you like what you watch, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for future videos. Stay safe and thanks for watching.